Everybody, welcome back to this single update from me, Jerome, just at Dacia Builds. Just made a video about the rear wheel and the seal that was placed in here over there. And the rear wheel is all nice and done now. So the single update is all about all the things I need to do from this point. It's February now, 2021. Well, obviously the electrics. I've got to do all that, which is something I'm not looking forward to. I'm not comfortable with doing that, so that will be a thing. What else? Well, obviously there's something missing over here, which is the engine, which is over there. And I'm waiting for parts to come in. And then, because if you follow me on Instagram, you know that bolt broke off on this end. Waiting for that, waiting for the gasket, and then we can get cracking on this. Apart from those bits, it's all done. Oh yeah, the piston rings, or wrong piston rings, so they're coming too. But I'm feeling pretty comfortable with the engine. Think it should be fine. But I just want to get it inside this frame. Very not sure about the color I chose, but it's not black, and that's one thing I really want to do. I didn't want to do a black engine, so I went for like a grayish one, and I hope it matches with this gray. The tank is obviously something else I need to do. It's still bubbly and wobbly, as you can see, so I will do that when it's nice and warm. But it will give me an opportunity to match this grey with the grey of the engine. And the inside needs to be done as well. Now, got the steering wheel here. I've got all the bits and bobs just like on there. I don't like these things that I bought. I want to get different ones, but I need some cash for that. I love the buttons from Hedgehog Garage. They are really nice. And of course, I love the M button, which will make things easier. Now, I have been told by Mr. Hedgehog that this light fixture will melt like crazy. So I've got to save up some money to get new ones for that. I may change these, but for, yeah, you know, I've got to make a choice, and I want to ride this bike, and I can't do everything at once. Gotta get a new brake line, because this one's too long, as you can see. This is the old original one, which has to be replaced anyway. It's all how would you say that? Corroded. So there is still a lot to do, but I'm getting there. This bike was completely ruined, really, and it was in shambles, and it's starting to come together slowly but surely. Yeah, I'm pretty cool. I'm really pretty proud of that. So still a lot to do. I'm really not there, but we're getting there. So please stick to the channel, like those videos if you want. Comment on them. I really like the interaction with other builders, and yeah, well, that is for this single update. Please, if you haven't already, subscribe. You can see it over there, this person behind me fixing that beautiful bike. Yeah, that's single update number 4, I think. See you in the next one. See you in the next video. Please come back. And as always, stay safe. All right. Bye-bye.